Traditional marriage for Yoruba land na time for jolliment because plenty food, sweet music and nice clothes no dey carry last on top that day. Wedding for Yoruba land na time to show people say you get better cloth, say you get better bag, better shoe and even better costume or chain. Before any traditional wedding fit shele for Yoruba land, the guy must carry family go meet the girl family and dem dey call this one mommy mwe wey oyinbo people dey call introduction. Things wey the girl family dey collect for introduction no dey too much as yam, fruit and small wine don do them. When day for traditional wedding reach, master of ceremony wey Yoruba people dey call alaga ijoko na im dey coordinate things for the wife family and alaga iduro na im dey coordinate things for husband people. This alaga dey mostly be woman. On the day of the traditional wedding, husband to be plus plenty of im friends go prostrate give the wife family make dem for fit give am the girl marry. Engagement na important part of traditional marriage as that na time wey the woman family go collect things wey dem say make husband people bring. Some of these things na bag of rice, sugar, alligator pepper, bag of salt, kola nut, big box and 40 big yam. Bible dey among these things if the wife na Christian and Quran if the wife na Muslim. Inside all the things wey dem dey collect, the one wey nobody fit follow the wife drag na the box. Things wey dey inside this box na cloth material, shoes, bag, hair tie and some plenty other bokun things. No forget say no matter how babe or guy take for their papa house, one day dem must pack their Ghana must go join their partner. Na here I go put bottom on top the lifestyle segment. Make una continue dey enjoy Good Morning Naija. My name na Skimpy. Una good morning.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.